Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. All of you open chapter number 2, our body. Yesterday we have read this page, a quick revision about that. So our body is very beautiful, it is wonderful. There are different parts of the body. We can see these parts, but some are inside the body which we cannot see. For example, heart, lungs, kidneys, these are the parts which are inside the body and we cannot see them. And he is beneath. Okay. And this activity we have done, matching activity. After this, next go to page number 6. Let's see what they have given. Count and write the number of following body parts you have. So how many parts you have? That you are going to write in the box. Nose. Just check how many nose you have. Only one nose. And those two holes are nostrils. What we call? We'll call it as nostrils. So we have only one nose. You'll write here 1. Next, eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. So write here 2. Ears. How many ears we have, children? We have 2 ears. So write here 2. Now, how many teeth we have? Do you know? A normal adult mouth has 32 teeth. Babies get their teeth when they are of 6 months. So they have only 20 teeth, children. 10 on top, 10 on bottom. But when you grow, you will get 32 teeth. So you are going to write here 32. How many teeth we have? We have 32. You don't have, but when you grow, you will get 32 teeth. Okay. Fingers. How many fingers we have? 5 on one hand, 5 on another hand. Altogether 10. So we have 10 fingers. Hands. How many hands we have, children? 1, 2. So we are going to write here 2 hands. Legs. 2 legs. Head, we have only 1 head. Okay. So now let's read the second one. What do the different body parts do? So what is the use of different body parts? What they do, we are going to read it here. You can see some pictures here. Instead of picture, you are going to name that. See this picture they have given, you have to say it as head while reading. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, teeth, like this. I'll show you how to read, children. Okay. Our head helps us to think. Our eyes help us to see. We hear with our ears. Our nose helps us to smell. We taste food with our tongue. It also helps us to speak. With the help of tongue, we can speak, children. Okay. Our teeth help in cutting and chewing food. Our teeth help in cutting and chewing food. Our hands help us to hold things. They help us to eat, write and paint. We walk, run and jump with our, legs. With our legs. Next activity is match the body parts with the work they do. So here body parts they have given. The work they have written here, you are going to match that. Write. W-R-I-T-E is write. We write with our hand. So match this with the hand. S-E-E, see. We see with our eyes. So join this S-E-E-C with eyes. Third one, hear. H-E-A-R, hear. We hear with our ears. So join it like this. Speak. We speak with our tongue. So join this S-P-E-A-K to tongue. Chew. We chew food with our teeth. S-M-E-L-L, smell. We smell with our nose. Okay. Okay. Let's read the next one. What do we do with our legs? Match the activity with the right picture. What all actions does the leg perform? That we are going to see. See, this boy is standing. This boy is walking. This boy is running. Girl is dancing. He is kicking the ball. And this boy is swimming. So let's read and match them. Children, you can use your scale to draw the lines. Okay, it will look nice. So first one is R-U-N, run. Who is running in this picture, children? This boy is running. So you can hold the scale like this and you can draw. Okay, next. S-T-A-N-D, stand. Who is standing still in this picture? This boy is standing. So you can hold the scale like this, stand and touch that boy and draw a line. Next. W-A-L-K, walk. This boy is walking. See, his leg is forward, one leg is forward, he is walking. So we are going to join this walk to this boy. Swim. Who is swimming here in the water? Yes, this boy. So hold the scale like this properly. You have to practice it, children. Okay. Next, dance. Who is dancing? Girl is dancing. So we are going to join it here. D-A-N-C, dance to the girl. Kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Who is kicking the ball here? This boy. So we are going to join K-I-C-K, kick to this boy. See here, children, when you use the scale, it will look nice, neat. Okay. See, with the hand, it will become like this. So use scale while drawing the lines. Okay. Let's see the next question. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. You are going to fill in the blanks with the words given in this green color. Okay. Our hands help us to. Here we have seen the picture related to the legs. Now we are going to see the activity related to the hand. This boy is eating. She is holding the book. She is combing her hair. And this boy is doing the painting. Okay. Dash food. First word is C-O-M-B, comb. Who is combing the hair? This girl. So C-O-M-B, comb. You must write here below this picture. Comb the hair. Our hands help us to comb the hair. C-O-M-B, comb. This finish. Next, E-A-T. Who is eating the food? This boy is eating the food. Our hands help us to eat food. So write here eat. E-A-T, eat. Next, this over. We have written this. H-O-L-D, hold. Who is holding the book here? This girl. Our hands help us to hold things. Right here, hold. H-O-L-D, hold things. This over. Next, paint. Who is painting? This boy is painting. Our hands help us to paint pictures. So this we are going to write it here. P-A-I-N-T, paint. This also over. So all we have written. We all have the same body parts but still look different from one another. Okay, just think about that. We all have the same body parts. 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 1 nose. But we look different. So tomorrow we are going to discuss on this topic and we are going to do the activity also. Okay, children? Thank you.